Walking is overrated. Woo. Wow. Winning. Computer, all you need to do is stick the key in, switch, and everything is automated, gears included. We have a little bit of dead zone. See, that's for safety reasons. Let's hop in and let's go. I weigh 100 kilograms. With a backpack it'll be 108, I think, with all the gears and everything. Wow, the acceleration is impressive. The maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour with a 100 kilogram man. Oh wow, it is fast, really fast. Oh. Range, well, it all depends how heavy you are. Is it cold or warm? Is it uphill or downhill? For me, it's 35 kilometers. Basket on the back is very practical. You can get all kinds of groceries from your favorite store. How easy is to assemble M5 Elite? Let's find out. The box itself is not that big. Great for shipping. What's on the box? 800 watts, 10-inch, 28 miles per hour and fast charging. Thick. Bicycle phone holder. That's super cool. A lock. It's tiny, but still for free. Very nice. Very nice of them. And read it if you wanted to pause the video if you want to read that. And of course, a basket for your groceries or whatever. Let me show you how easy it is. Just lift that steering column. Place the handlebar in the middle. Close it. Toolkit included. And of course you have to adjust the lamp. Okay. And then, there you go. Okay, not ready yet. We do have a cable to connect. It's also very easy. Just one cable to connect and it's very easy. We have 2 keys, lock, removable battery. You can take it up very easy, close it and forget about it. And voila! Satisfaction. Hello, Silver! Away! Woohoo! Wow, look at those rims. Ooh, premium. And back. Look at the finish. Sandpaper. So it won't be slippery at all. And this is high quality sandpaper. Wow. Very nice. That finish is incredible. Chrome and very comfortable seat. Very comfortable. We do have a light on the front and light on the back. Also a stop light if we hit a brake. Check out the brakes. Oh yes. And on the front, charging port, stripes for visibility, and warning battery info. There you go. Pause the video if you want to read it. There you go. Wow. What did we learn in this video? And we learned that it's very comfortable. Big wheels will go through any potholes and curves. Long range, high speed, and ideal for groceries. Perfect. Link in the description. Check it out. And I think that's all I have. See you next video. Bye. Haha, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang.